Assalamu alaikum everybody. Hello viewers. How are you today? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I thank to Allah for everything. Alhamdulillah. I have to say Alhamdulillah. We all have to remember what we know. That's enough for me. That's enough for us. And you have to remember, always remember, your life is your journey. And your journey is your history. No one gets to write it. No one else gets to define it. Your choice you make. Your risk you take. Your dream you chase. It's yours. Always remember, it's yours. Confidently go ahead. I believe that nothing can stop you. If you steadily go ahead, nothing can stop you. Always remember. In this world, some people will judge you, doubt you, misunderstand you. But it doesn't matter for you. Because it's your journey, your fight, your legacy. Own it, please. Own it, please. Thank you for watching my videos. If you like this video, please share and stay connected with me. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Stay healthy. Till then, Allah Hafiz.